That's why I find your zone every day.
Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel MYKK2083. Today I'm making this vlog because I just got delivered my GoPro Volta grip that I bought from eBay like a few weeks ago, and it got delivered today. And it was I bought it from a Australian shop in eBay. It cost me 317 Australian dollars, which is about probably 227 USD. So yeah, so I got it delivered today, and it was few more for the custom tax in Bangladesh for the clearance, and yeah, it wasn't much hassle. The app said that it's gonna get delivered in September, but probably they send it in a fast track Australian post or something. So I got it before September, like in June, like 2 months before the estimated time. So yeah, so anyways, I got the Volta grip now, and just got it delivered few hours ago. And now, so I wanted to do a unboxing video, so thought that why not make a full vlog and make an unboxing full vlog video. So let's go and do the unboxing now and see what is inside the box. So let's go. So guys, this is the package. This is the exact way I received it from the courier service. So yeah, so let's go and cut the ribbons and see what condition it is inside. So let's do it. Really tight packaging, as you guys can see. It's really hard to cut open the air bubble plastic wrap. The paperwork is outside the box. Anyways, this is the Volta box, and the box is a bit damaged or opened, I don't know. Probably they checked it or something. Anyways, let's open it up. Hopefully it's not damaged inside. this is the grip itself, the Volta grip. I thought that I'm gonna do a proper unboxing, but the box is so messed up, the way they packed it, and it looks pretty brand new to me. This the battery section and the tripod. They told me that they're gonna send me a brand new one, but I don't know if it's used or not. And then one GoPro screw, but no charging cable, no stickers, no paperwork, only these two paperwork. When this GoPro gate to put this jack connect with my GoPro, this I have to change the GoPro's battery socket gate or something. And then charging cable, USB to USB-C. So this was it, guys. This was nothing else in the box. And GoPro Volta battery grip, tripod, remote. So yeah, this was it, guys. And after charging it, I'll connect it with my GoPro Hero 10. That's why I bought it, for my GoPro Hero 10 Black. So after charging and everything, I'll connect it and make a vlog with it, and then I'll give a proper review if I can about this grip. So this is it for now, guys. So see you guys in the next one.